This is the latest TPS GLC, 1200 by 1000 footprint, 4-way entry in the pallet base. Tare weight 200 kilograms and holds 1,000 litres or 2 tonnes in weight. It's got the handles on the side to help you pull them up. And the simple lock in place. Again on this side, you lock the doors in place. And to put the lid on, again it's got a handy handle there. And again, it's got the locking bolts on the side, 2 of those on the front to close the lid firmly. Again, you've got the arrows to show you the direction of turn of the handles. When these GLCs are empty, you can stack them 5 high folded down, and when they're full, you can actually stack them 4 high. And the base of the pallet here sits inside these chocks here, so it keeps it nice and firm on the top when you're stacking one on top of another.